how to link reservations on Hawaii Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you will learn how you can link reservations on Hawaii Airlines, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to sign in into your Hawaii Airlines account. Once you're signed in, move to the top right corner, click on sign in. Okay, you would have to sign in for you to be able to link reservations. All right, so after signing in, or if you don't have an account, ensure you create one. Okay, so after creating your account and you signed in, the next thing is to move to the lowest part of the screen where you can see some options such as home, my trips, status, book, more. Just click on my trips, and then on my trips you'll see two options such as all trips or upcoming reservation. All right, you will see that on this same page, and then once you can see, then you can now decide to choose to view either all trips or upcoming reservation. So after selecting the one you want, I would advise that you choose upcoming reservations, since you're trying to link your reservations to your Hawaii account. So after clicking on reservation, locate the reservation you want to link to your Hawaii Miles account. Locate the reservation again you want to link to your Hawaii Miles account, then add your Hawaii Miles number to the reservation. And just like that, your reservations would be linked on Hawaii Airlines. So you can just copy your Hawaii Miles membership number before you start this process, and then when you get to this stage, add the Hawaii Miles number, and you are good to go. So that is it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.